If you've lost access to your AddSearch account and don't have your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the AddSearch login page. Go to the official AddSearch website and locate the login page. Click on the Forgot Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use AddSearch to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from AddSearch with recovery instructions. This email may contain a link to reset your password or additional steps to verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the prompts. You may need to answer security questions or provide additional information to verify your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your AddSearch account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AddSearch support for further assistance.